These cinnamon and sugar pretzels are dangerously addictive. Sweet, salty, crunchy, and you only need 4 ingredients to make them. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make the easiest snack ever, cinnamon and sugar pretzels. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you grab it. So, you're not gonna believe how super simple this recipe is. It starts with some vegetable oil, so I'm just going to get that into a nice big bowl. Then to that, I'm gonna add some granulated sugar and some ground cinnamon. All right, now that's a lot, but we got a lot of pretzels we need to coat. So I'm just gonna get that stirred together until it becomes one. Oh, I love the smell of cinnamon. Okay, this is looking good. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to take an entire bag of pretzel twists and get those into the mixture. Extra salt and all. And give everything a good toss. We want every pretzel coated in that cinnamon sugary mixture. You know, these are perfect for holiday gift giving. Make up a huge batch and just package them up and give them school bus drivers, church friends, teachers, neighbors. Me, send me some. I do accept Christmas presents, you know, hint, hint. Just kidding. All right, friends. Looking good. I'm going to get myself a lined baking sheet and we are going to pop these in the oven. Okay, so I have a baking sheet that I lined with some non-stick foil just because with the sugar cooking and baking and getting sticky, I think it makes cleanup a lot easier. You can also use parchment, entirely up to you. But we're just going to get our pretzels transferred onto the baking sheet. Get all that extra cinnamony deliciousness out. Perfect. And spread them into an even layer. So I spread our pretzels out onto 2 baking sheets that like I said, I lined them with nonstick foil. Nice even layer, just so that they bake evenly. Now, this is the best part. You're gonna pop these into a preheated oven, 350 degrees, for like 3 to 5 minutes. That's it, just until that sugar starts melting. And then we're gonna get them out and then we can dive in. Okay, I just brought these pretzels out of the oven. They are smoking hot. I'm going to dish them up. It is taking every ounce of restraint I have to not bite into these super duper hot pretzels. But you know what? These are perfect for gifting, for parties, for road trips, or whenever you just need a quick snack. I mean, you saw how fast they were to whip up. Couple ingredients, 5 minutes in the oven, and done. It really doesn't get any easier than this. All right, let me get this tray out of here so I can get my face in there. Okay, I'm going in right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. These cinnamon and sugar pretzels are definitely a keeper. They're sweet, they're salty, they're crunchy, they are pure perfection, and they are so super easy. Oh my gosh, they're hard to resist. I could probably eat this whole bowl. You guys, this recipe, definitely a keeper. If you love easy snacks, check out my ranch spicy crackers next. They're just as easy and equally as addictive. You can find them here.